Next story is about the Volkswagen thing. I don't know, man. What? I don't know. So they put out a pre-April Fool's thing press release about changing their name to Volkswagen in order to embrace the electrification of their fleet and just the EV future in general. So they hit up all these publications.
Weird ad.
Okay. No, it's not an ad. It's just trending on a website.
Oh, it's not. Oh, jeez. Okay.
Yeah. Sidetrack over here. Jeez.
Sorry.
Don't even make me read that out loud.
Criminal guy.
Yeah.
He's right beside the Volkswagen
Well, he's accused.
logo.
He's accused.
Yeah.
He's
Sorry. I
accused.
don't want to.
Alleged.
Yeah. Prejudge. Anyways.
So Volkswagen puts out a press release, and it was before April Fool's, so reporters didn't know what to make of it. And then they doubled down. They sent another one with a word from the CEO of the company. They just doubled down on it, and then it turns out that, yeah, it was fake. It was early April Fool's. They're not changing the name to Volkswagen. And now the press is very upset. How dare you use us in that fashion? How dare you make us go back and forth and back and forth?
That's part of the game. You know, it's like it's press.
It is, but I don't think they like feeling like they got
don't-
played with.
Yeah, they don't want to be tricked.
They don't,
But it's
I don't know. Did it?
it's April Fool's. The next day, wouldn't you want to have?
I know,
like,
but what are the rules of April Fool's, man? I don't know. How many days do you get? What are the? Can you, if you start being a day before, then somebody's going to push to 2 days before, then somebody's going to push for the whole week.
Sure.
And can I just be honest?
So it's a timing thing for you.
No, actually, I don't even, the whole April Fool's thing, I don't.
Yeah.
It was fun on the internet when it was new. And it was obviously fun when you were doing it in real life, when you were in school or whatever.
Yeah.
Like, that was obviously fun. But then it got to a point where these April Fool's things turned into these massive budget commercials. I remember like Google did this. And then it was like, this is so elaborate.
It's not fun anymore.
I don't know if I'm having fun. It feels so calculated.
Yeah.
And
The boardrooms, the
yes,
many meetings.
I'm picturing all of this approval process. And now Volkswagen has a whole fiasco on their hands. Now they have to have more meetings to talk about the impression around the thing, because now the press is writing really negative headlines about them. I'm just going to come from a weird position here and say, you know what? They should have done it. They should have changed their name to Volkswagen.
Like indefinitely.
For the EV ones, for the EV specific vehicles. The stock, okay, here's the problem. Let me tell you the problem is. And by the way, I don't care that much one way or another with the name. The stock was up when the press release went out. I don't know, it was like 5% or something. Yeah, you might need to click on the 5-day to see it because it's old now. Yeah, it's up a little bit. Now, apparently, the Trade Commission has to look into it and say, oh, wait a sec. You lied, which actually caused an investor impact. You claimed that something was true, like in the same way that Elon got in trouble when he said he was taking a company private. There's an actual investigation going on now over the joke or the name change. When you're a company that big, you're not allowed to.
Can't have fun there.
No. In falsely announcing a name change, the company went beyond telling reporters that its news release was legitimate. On Tuesday, the company emailed to reporters a press release that quoted its CEO announcing the fake change. The fake release could land Volkswagen in trouble with U.S. securities regulators because its stock price rose nearly 5%. I said Trade Commission. In this case, it's U.S. securities regulators. It rose 5% on Tuesday after the bogus statement. James Cox, who teaches corporate and securities law at Duke University, said the Securities and Exchange Commission should take action to deal with such misinformation, which can distort stock prices. Damn. Turns into an even bigger thing.
Can't have fun. No fun.
No fun.
Even on April Fools.
No fun. No fun before April. When is April Fool's? Is it yet? See, they were 2 days early. It's not even April Fool's yet.
Yeah.
They were 2 days early.
Yeah.
Damn. So prepare yourself, Will, because tomorrow's episode, complete disaster.
Well,
What
tomorrow they might even change their name to Volkswagen.
Well, this is the thing. What are we supposed to do tomorrow? We're gonna have all this news that we're shooting. Wait, what am I talking about tomorrow? People are watching this on
Today.
April Fool's.
Yeah, April Fool's.
Whatever. Next episode, we're gonna have to really comb through what's real and not. It's gonna be a mess.
We'll figure it out.
Or who cares? Whatever.
All right.